Dawood, Daud, and Rohan, four inseparable friends, were renowned for their adventurous spirits. Their latest guest, conquering the viral sensation, Mingle, a fast-paced, team-based challenge demanding quick thinking and lightning reflexes. The game plunged them onto a dizzying, spinning platform teeming with 100 other players. Level 1, find the right group. The platform whirled, a blur of motion, as the screen flashed the number 5. Each player needed to form a group of 5. Dua grabbed Rohan's hand. Daud and Dawood joined, their hearts pounding as they frantically searched for one more. With seconds ticking away, they found a lone player, securing their place just as the timer buzzed to 0. Level 2. The speed increases. The platform's rotation intensified with each round. The screen displayed 4. Without hesitation, Dawood, Dawood, and Rohan huddled together. Their teamwork flawless, their movements synchronized. They navigated the challenge, their camaraderie a beacon in the whirling chaos. Level 3. The toughest challenge. The game's difficulty escalated, eliminating players with each passing moment. The screen flashed 3. Dua quickly linked hands with Rohan, Daud joining them in a desperate bid to form a trio. Time was running out, the platform a dizzying carousel of risk, but they managed to secure their spot before the final second. Final round, the ultimate test. Only a handful of players remained, the survivors of a relentless gauntlet. The final challenge appeared, a stark 2 on the screen. Dawood and Daud exchanged a determined glance, grabbed hands, and sprinted towards the nearest safe zone, a blur of motion against the spinning backdrop. Just as the closing door threatened to cut them off, they leaped, their coordinated effort propelling them through the gap, securing their victory. They had conquered Mingle, their friendship strengthened by the shared adrenaline.